Time now for your market recap. The JSE Combined Index lost just over 1,000 points last week. 122 stocks traded across the main and junior markets for the week ending Friday, October 11, 2024. 49 made gains, 63 lost value, and 10 stayed the same. 77 million shares changed hands on the Jamaican dollar market, valued at $482 million. Fesco was the week's most traded stock, with 16 million shares changing hands. The stock lost 15 cents to open the week at $3.62. Jamaica traded the second highest volume. The stock's price was unchanged at $3.25. And stationery and office supplies rounded out last week's most traded. It started the week at $1.60. Now let's see who had the biggest gains. Elite Diagnostic was the market's top gainer, up almost 29%. Margaritaville Turks USD had the second biggest gain, up 25%. And Pulse rounded out the top stocks, up 13.5%. On the losing side now, Cygnus Real Estate Finance USD was the week's biggest loser. The stock was down 24% to open Monday at 6 cents US, while T-Tech lost almost 18% and 138 Student Living Variable Preference lost 15%. Over on the Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, the composite index fell 1% last week. First Caribbean was the TTSC's most traded stock. It was also the biggest gainer, up nearly 4% to start the week at $7.05 TT. And on the losing side, LJ Williams fell 15% to open Monday at $1.56 TT. Over in the U.S., the Dow Jones, S&P 500, and NASDAQ were all up about 1% last week. At the pumps, gas prices in Jamaica climbed $2.94 last week, while diesel prices jumped $3.06. In foreign exchange, it took an average $159.16 Jamaican to purchase $1 last Friday. That's 27 cents more than the week before. Meanwhile, it took an average $116.55 Jamaican to purchase $1 Canadian. One British pound cost on average $208.25 Jamaican. And finally, you could buy €1 for $174.20 Jamaican on average. Finally, on the crypto markets, Bitcoin prices were up 4% over the past 5 days, trading at $63,126 US on Monday, while Ethereum prices were up 3%, trading at $2,442 US on Monday.